Hey, have you ever heard about success pill? Yes, success pill. Do you want to know much about what success pill is all about? If you want to, then stay tuned in this video. Hey, this is Ankit, your friend. So in this video, I will be talking about 11, yes, 11 success pill, which will help you to grow professionally. And I'm trying something new in this video, wherein I will be showing my screen. So just give me a moment so that we can just go ahead and we can talk about 11 success pill. And believe me, if you apply this success pill, you will be playing on a different level altogether. Just give me a second. Perfect. All right. So here we go. So the very first success pill is have a clear vision of the future you want to create. So many times we don't even have a clarity that what we want to do in life. So you don't be that guy or girl who don't have a clarity. Sit with yourself for a day or two, do some introspection, and believe me, you will find some result that what is the purpose of your life, what in which direction you want to go. Okay, so have a clear purpose, have a clear vision of the future you want to create. The second success pill is learn something new today that will take you closer to your goal tomorrow. But after our graduations, post graduation, the moment we start working, we stop learning. And that's why we, in fact, stop earning much. So you don't be that guy who is not learning. So please learn every single day because that learning will help you to take closer to your goal tomorrow. Okay. The third success pill is never ever complain about anything you can't change or unwilling to change. Do you have any control on politics, on this Bollywood news, or on COVID? No, right? But still, we cry, we crib, and we complain. So, if you don't have any control, then please don't be that person who is just crying, and complaining. Okay, so never complain about anything you can't change or unwilling to change. Then the fourth success pill is break a sweat every single day through a physical exercise. Because once you do it, emotion is created by your motion. So you can do any physical exercise. It could be jogging, cycling, playing cricket, going to gym, any sort of thing, whichever you feel so. But make sure that you involved into some activity. All right. Then the fifth success pill is don't be cheap. Yes, don't be cheap in your journey of awesomeness. Don't be cheap with your future because we have one life, we can't cheap with that life. The sixth success pill is give away which you want to get more of. Give away which you want to get more of. If you need more love, give more love to the people. If you need happiness, give happiness to the people. So do those things which you want in your life. It could be appreciation, it could be love, it could be happiness. Do it and believe me, you will see those results coming your way. The seventh success pill is simplify every single thing. Don't complicate things. There are few people that I know who complicate things. So don't complicate things. Keep it very short and very simple. Because if you do it, you will have more clarity and things will be more easy as it looked like. Okay. Then the eighth success pill is don't settle for good enough. Strive to achieve excellence in everything that you do. It could be your job, it could be your business. There is always a next level and always aim for that excellence. Okay. Then the ninth success pill is take responsibility of every single thing that you do. If you say yes, stick with the yes. If you say no, stick with that no. There is nothing like maybe. Okay, so take responsibility of your decisions. Then the 10th success pill is don't be busy. Be effective, efficient, and productive. But we are like कि काम ही तो करना है, just काम दिखाना है. So don't be that guy. Be effective, efficient, and productive. Don't act like that you are the busiest person on this planet. Even Narendra Modi don't act that way, right? So you don't do it. Then any guesses about the 11th success pill? No, right. Let me just go ahead and tell you. So the 11th success pill is lead by example. Okay, because people will not listen your gyan baji. They will look at the things what you are doing. So lead by example and make people understand how to get the job done. So these are the 11 success pill which I wanted to share. So now my question to you is, do you have the appetite to take this pill? If the answer is yes, then do mention in the comment section about whether you have the appetite or not. And do mention what do you feel about this video. Do you feel that there was some sort of good content? It was a new concept for you. If you feel so, make sure that you put in the comment section. Okay. And this is something I tried something new, to be very honest. I thought, let me just go ahead and share my screen. Let me look at the resonance, whether there is a resonance, whether you're able to understand or not. So do mention the comment section and see you with the next video in the coming few days. All right, chalo, bye. And do mention the comment section whether you have the appetite to take this success pill or not. Okay, chalo, bye.